and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy weight gain smoothie that will help you gain weight really fast. The great thing about this weight gain smoothie is that the ingredients are easy to find and you can also make substitutions just in case you are allergic to or don't like any of the ingredients. I also included a calorie count for each ingredient as this will help you know how much calories you are taking in. The first ingredient is a large ripe avocado, which contains healthy fats and lots of calories that you need for a healthy weight gain. Next is a ripe banana, which is an excellent choice for weight gain as it contains carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals and lots of calories, and also adds a creamy texture to our weight gain smoothie. We'll add some full fat coconut milk. Coconut milk contains more calories than regular milk and is a fantastic source of healthy fats, but feel free to use any milk of your choice. And finally, we'll add a bit of condensed milk. This ingredient brings sweetness and creaminess and also add extra calories to our drink, but you can add any sweetener of your choice. Now we'll blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. You can adjust the quantities to suit your taste and preference. This weight gain smoothie is loaded with calories that will help you gain weight really fast, but you have to drink it 2 to 3 times daily. So make a large quantity and store in a flask or refrigerator and drink throughout the day. I do hope you try out this weight gain recipe and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below. Check out our other videos on how to gain weight really fast. Subscribe, share with a friend. I truly appreciate. See you in the next video. Bye bye.